Solka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 26th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2A. This is from the easier set of reading and writing questions. Number 26 reads, which choice completes the text's most logical transition? Always read the question first. Now you know what type of question it is. Whenever it asks this question, you got to decide whether before and after that blank shows similarity or difference. So we read the paragraph. During a 2021 launch, Rocket Labs Electron rocket experienced unexpected failure. Its second booster shut down suddenly after ignition. Instead of downplaying the incident, Rocket Lab's CEO publicly announced what happened and apologized for the loss of the rocket's payload, which consisted of 2 satellites. So, if you notice, it sounded fine with nothing at all. When you get that, then you're going to have a transition that shows similarity. So when we go to our answer choices, all of the answer choices show similarity. So this will happen once in a while. You still want to ask yourself that question, whether it comes before and after that blank shows similarity or difference. Sometimes you can get the correct answer just by answering that. Most times you could eliminate 2 answer choices by answering that question. So since they all show similarity, now we got to tighten it up and say more specifically, what are we looking for? So afterward, I mean, that looks like a decent answer. So of course, we would have to have had the booster shut down before the CEO responds to it shutting down. So afterward looks like a pretty good answer choice. Additionally, that would be like if something in addition to what just happened. So in other words, the booster shot down after ignition. Additionally, maybe something else went wrong with the rocket. Indeed literally means in doing. So what comes after it would have to actually be what happened. But we get what happened came before it, so C is gone as well. Similarly would kind of be like an additionally, answer choice B. So similarly, it would have to have something else that had happened wrong with the rocket. So D is going to be gone as well. Afterward is your best answer choice because, of course, it would have to have shut down first, and then afterward, the CEO would have responded to it shutting down. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with transition or conjunction questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. It's going to be below this set of videos on YouTube. IB Masters Learning Center, Test 2, Module 2A, the easier set of reading and writing questions toward the bottom of the playlist. Have a great day.